Hi, I'm Chris from Driver Training. Today we're going to look at the importance of viewing the car in front rather than the cars from the side at roundabouts. Now here we've got a roundabout coming up, so I'm just going to play our video. Now pay attention to the car in front. As we come up to the roundabout, we can already see its brake lights coming on. We can see that happening. At this point we're at 31 miles an hour. So we run our clip forward. Now we can just about see round that car that there's a second vehicle. Now, as usual, we don't know where these cars on the roundabouts are going because none of them have got their indicators on, which is kind of standard. So we're always thinking, well, what if they come round? So at this point, our main concern are the two vehicles ahead. Again, if we play our video, now we can see the car in front is stopping, so we know he will. But we're still at 24 miles an hour. We run it forward a little. Now we can see from the direction of this first car, he's obviously coming straight ahead. But these two cars have still got their brake lights on because they're not sure where this second car is going. But we are still at 21 miles an hour. We run it forward a little. Now they're being cautious, quite rightly thinking, well, what if? What if he comes round? We need to be prepared to deal with it. So now we should be totally focused on these cars because it doesn't matter whether he goes straight or not. It's what these guys do that's of importance to us. But you can see at this point, we're still at 17 miles an hour. Now we can see the car from his direction is clearly coming round. However, again, the pupil is staring to the right, not looking at the vehicle ahead. We're still at 16 miles an hour. So we know this guy is definitely gonna stop. We should have been as well. We should be perhaps 3-4 miles an hour at this point, but definitely not 16. So the guy in front stops, I hit the dual controls. At this point, look, pupil is still doing 14 miles an hour. So he would have just gone into the back of the vehicle in front. So this emphasizes if we're going to look right at roundabouts, it needs to be glances. Glance to the right, look back, glance to the right, look back. So we always know what's happening in front. But from earlier on, what we should have just done is thought there is vehicles coming round. My full attention needs to be on what this guy is doing, not what this guy is. So at this point, I've applied the dual controls. We managed to stop fine. Then everything carries on because this pupil has a really good driving instructor and we just carry on our way. My name's been Chris. Drive safe. We'll see you again soon.